Hello guys, hello everyone. Happy Monday afternoon. All of you guys in all over the world. Philippines, America, Germany, whatever where we at guys. Cold, warm, tropical, raining. How are you guys? There we go again. We are here in same things over and over, routine every day to my little Baba. My little Baba over there. He likes walking in the morning. He likes walking in the afternoon. When I tell him when I get up from work, I gotta give him a ride. Look at that, guys. Oh, where I live, they have a lot of sliding over there. Some of kids playing over there. I wish my kids over here. No, my kids is already grow up, so yeah. That's so beautiful. But I don't know why the kids really like to play in the cold. Pupu, Pupu, we just only one round, probably 1 mile, okay? Only 1 mile, and then we're gonna go back because I cook rice over there in the rice cooker. So better you gotta poopy now. Alright guys. Right now is 6 o'clock I think in the Philippines. And my son is already traveled to go to the OJT in hotel. And my daughter is nursing and she is going to get ready today. She have to go to school too. And later I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna tell her that always love you, Mama, and always take care. Hey guys, can you please subscribe to my channel and give a likes? And I do really appreciate everything. Yeah, and hope you guys you doing warm wherever. And I'm glad that you guys okay. And we'll see ya later again. Come on, bud. We gotta go. Why you always checking everything? Yeah, in that part is river. In the summer, I love to go fishing over there. But I don't like to go in the winter because it's too cold. I don't like get so much arthritis. Alright guys, we are in the little hill over here, and my Baba is really happy to walk and always check everything. Let's go. Don't do that. You always smell everything. If you gotta pee, you gotta pee. Right, Pooh? You gotta pee? It's nice. It's not really cold. It's like a 26 degrees. Early morning is 2 degrees. It's almost gonna be like a minus. So, yeah. Look at that. How is snow? Back in the day when I never been in the United States, I wish that I can, play some snow like that. But when I'm already here, oh my goodness, I have a 3-layer clothes plus gloves, and I'm still cold. So yeah, and one time my son came first over here. Oh, he likes snow, and now he's kind of cold now. That's why my daughter said, "Oh, I can't wait to go there." Well, my 2 kids is already approved in the United States immigration. We have to wait the interview yet, but it's been too long and slow because we don't know how's that process. Yeah, same thing. My son in the middle of the COVID, they let him in because the reason why he's already approved. But I really would like to, all the mother in the world, they're always giving a good for the kids. I don't know, some of mother or parents, but I always wanna close my kids to me, and that's all my goal and wish, and they can have their own life, growing their own self. I mean, like some of kid, they have own family, they built their own credit, they built their own house. Like my mother and my father, see, I built my own destination. I didn't know that I'm gonna be here. Yeah, you guys, yep, we are so really blessed. I'm really blessed too. But you wanna have a blessed, you gotta work hard. Because blessed is always around. If you work hard, the more you work hard, the more you get more hours at work. You are nice to people, and you're always thankful. Hello, dear. Hi, dear. How are you, dear? How are you, dear? Oh, dear. Hello, dear. What's that, bud? Oh, people throw away the plastic. They doesn't think about it, not allowed to throw away any garbage in the, and everywhere. But over here, we're gonna walk around over here and then we gotta go. This they call it is East Park, Mason City, Iowa. Yep. He likes walk in cold. When the summer is coming, he likes get inside. He doesn't like hot. I don't know why. Hey, why? Hey, listen. Hey, do you like cold? Huh? You don't like a hot, don't you? Cause you're too much. Your tongue is coming out. You gotta poop, Alright, guys, give me the likes, guys, and I'll do my best naman. I do try to pass my 4,000 watch hour so I can unable, I don't know, but requirements for YouTube. So please, guys, watch a little bit, and appreciate Melinda so much. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. Have a good night, and see you again. Thank you so much.